Chillin', top of the building. Cold world, girl, I give a buck. How you feelin'? Tucks where I'm living. Fuck, then I'm dipping. Yo, bitches where I'm plugging in the tool. I'm drilling. Fly young villain. Mind on millions. Beat the pussy up. I like it bald like Krillin. She might hang it up cause she gon' need a while to heal it. Started off lust, now it's like sexual healing. Tell her back it up like the boy directing traffic. Why tear it up? I don't know, it's just a habit. I shine on that pussy. I don't make enough for carrots, but still she want a photo cause I'm finna make it rapping. And I ain't one of them fake Sammy trapping. But yeah, I'm stacking it, I ain't in the bragging. Best to a couple bad bitches, yeah, I had been. Before they knew I had that dope dick, I wasn't smashing. Nah, they treated a nigga bad then, but now I do my thing, disappear on the low-low. Lil' mama bad, but wiping her is a no-no. I just came through the lean, all in it like a cholo. Telling all her friends that's some damn good promo. Fuck with get bread, most these other niggas homos. Put on for my CD, I ain't gotta say it, they know what's around. Little homies, they connected like a Lego. Yeah, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty bitch. Slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty bitch. Slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty bitch. Slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty. I'm only knee deep in the bread, so I know you still see me. Usually charge for dick, but tonight I'm throwing freebies. Hopefully that pussy been eating on his Wheaties, cause I pass it to the homie, I ain't tryna be greedy. He died, tore it up, and now she tryna play sleepy. So we wake on mama up and throw some porn on the TV, no frontin'. Heard from your ex how you freaky, so I like that pussy up and really pass it like a bleezy. Like I'm sitting on the bench, Missy, I don't really play. 365, man, we do this every day. Lil' mama came to the crib to escape. Don't eat it up, but I lay it on the plate. Middle fingers up, give a fuck what they say. Knock it out the park, birthday, she got cakes. Do this for a living, I ain't taking second place. So I wake up in the morning, get prepared for the rain. Yeah, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty bitch. Slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty bitch. Slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty, slide through a pretty